So, okay, let's look at the first question. So what I will do is, okay, this is the mock exam paper, isn't it? Then I'll be going through all these questions. So you see how it goes 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 10. Then jump to the open-ended. That means next lesson, what questions will I be going through from 11 up to 19, correct? And the next session, it will be 20 up to 28 for the MCQ. Then the open-ended, okay, we'll start with 29 today. We're trying to target at least 5. So we have to go a little bit faster. But if we need time, I'm not going to rush through. Clear? Any questions so far? Are you agreeable? Thumbs up if you're okay. Thank you very much. So let's focus. Now, what I like to do during PSLE revision, okay, is the first thing I will ask y'all, you must respond. Okay, I need you to respond. The more actively you respond, okay, the better my assessment of you, and I can tweak accordingly to the needs of the class. Clear? So I will be asking you, number one, okay, the moment you see one question, you have to tell me, number one, what is the topic? Okay, what is the topic for that particular question? All right, so if you look at this one, what is the topic? Quickly think about it, type into the chat. Okay, all right, I have people typing in, good. Okay. All right, okay, right. Yeah. Okay. Majority of you type it in, good. Cass, where are you, Cass? Are you here? Ange, I don't see a response. Crystal, okay. Right, Joshua, okay, didn't type in, okay. Prita type in already, yeah. Nakim, Sean, Niha, Pranati. Okay, do I pronounce your name as Gallen? Yeah, Gallen Tan, right? Is that right? Give me a thumbs up if it's correct. Okay, good. You type a yes. Good. Okay, who else? So I see people actually. This topic, okay, this topic is on reproduction in plants. Yes or not? Yeah, this topic is on reproduction in plants. Write down, okay? So this topic is on reproduction in plants. What is the concept tested? What is the concept tested? So the more we do this, the better you become. What is that concept? Pollination. Good, Niha. Very fast, huh? Okay. It's about pollination. It talks about, okay, Pranati said it's about the characteristics. Yeah, characteristics of the different types of pollination also can, something like that. I don't need you to be exact, but what I'm trying to tell you is the more we look at questions like this and you're going to determine the topic, the concept, the better you become. Okay, you will find out how this works for you, okay, as we move on more and more into the other questions. Okay, so now we have gotten the various important words that we need to write down. Okay, so usually it's topic, then this is about, okay, I write short form, instead of reproduction in plants, I write down plant reproduction, and then this is about pollination, right? Okay, and then pollination characteristics. Now, so you can answer the questions already. After you have determined the topic and the concept, okay, which of the following characteristics are most likely to be observed in each type of flower? Now, when it is wind pollinated, can you tell me all the characteristics very quickly? All the characteristics for the wind pollinated, type into the chat. Okay. Some of you can also type in, all right, insect pollinated flower. What do you think will be the characteristics of these flowers? All right, good, okay. right? Okay. I see common words coming out. Feathery, stigma. Yeah, what else? What else? No scent. I like how you write down no scent, Niha, rather than writing down smellless. Because my student wrote smellless before last time. It was so funny. Okay, or no smell is fine. Dull color. Okay, stigma sticking out of the flower. Yep. What is the reason for the stigma sticking out? I'm so sorry. I just read your name like this. I'm so sorry. Okay, because I looked at your name and I read it out. What's your name? How do I address you?
My name is Sharia.
Sharia, right?
Yeah.
Sharia. Can you rename yourself also?
Okay.
Yeah. My apologies. Okay, dull-colored petals. Okay. Hook-like structure. What do you mean by hook-like structure? Okay, insect pollinated coming in now. Good. Sweet smelling. Must it always be sweet smelling? Must it always be sweet smelling? What do you think? Brightly colored. Good. Okay. Pleasant scent and the sweet smelling, they mean the same thing. Okay. All right. So these are very good points. Must it always be sweet smelling? Yes or no? What do you think? Give me your comments. Can it be like something that smells very rotten, smells very nasty? Is it possible for that to happen? Yes. Your yes means must be sweet smelling. Andre, what do you think? You can unmute yourself. Must it be sweet smelling? Do you think it can be having that kind of rotten smell? Just make a guess. Cannot be, yeah. Yancy actually said something. Okay, I wait for you to comment first, Andre. Can't hear you. Is your mic working? I think his mic is not working, huh? We cannot hear him, right? Cannot hear, okay. Not to worry, maybe you type in, okay? Now, Yancy commented on something. She said, can be bad smelling. Can be bad smelling, okay? Can be stinky. Is that right? Is that how you think also, Andre? Yeah. Okay, it's true. There are some questions I come across. It's actually very, very bad smell. Smells like dead insects or dead animals. Okay, it is also able to attract insects. Can attract. Yes, you're right. Okay, pollinators. You want insects to pollinate, so it must be the type of insect that will be attracted to the flower. Very good, Prita. Thank you so much. Okay, so it can be bad smelling. So not necessarily must be pleasant smell. The pleasant smell is for the pollinators, not for us, human beings. Our smell very selective. All right. So answer is, check your answer. I'm going to tell you, let's see. Now, you are supposed to count the number of MCQ questions that you have gotten correct, and you're supposed to multiply by 2. If you don't know, now you know. You're supposed to multiply by 2, okay? So answer is B. Agree? Okay? You all got it already, right? Any question you want to ask me for this? Is there any problem you have with this particular question? No? Can I go on? Battle, you okay? Okay, yeah. So I just want to check. Next one. Which of the following cannot be found in the human circulatory system? This is a very straightforward one. Okay, so when it's very straightforward, I wouldn't want to spend too much time on it. You quickly let me know your answer. And then let's see, because many of you didn't do the work, as in you didn't do it in the portal. You could have done it elsewhere, I suspect. Yancy, thank you. Yeah, I saw that, huh? Okay. All right. So question 2 is the undigested food. Where does the undigested food go to? It's not found in the human circulatory system. Where is it found? Okay, yeah, you can mention digestive system. Very specific. It should be in the large intestine. All right. Very good. Okay, very quickly tell me, what are the 3 parts of the human circulatory system? What are the 3 parts of the human circulatory system? Yep, good. Yep, keep coming. Well done. All right. Hannah, I think something wrong there. Hannah, be careful. Okay. Yeah, you probably typed too fast. Okay, good. So long as y'all know, it's important that you know all these things. While we are doing this, we are also going through, all right, the revision for the various topics. So be very careful with what you type in. Okay, majority of you got it right. Next, the diagram below shows how water and food are transported in a plant. Okay, so you look at the leaves, right? Whatever comes out from the leaves and then go to, okay, A and then to B and then to C. So another direction, look at the full line. Okay, there's no dotted line, right? This is the full line arrow. Okay, is moving into the leaf. So what do you think is A, B, C? What do you think is A, B, C? Okay, all right. Zheng Yan, tell me the answer. Then I will ask you questions. Zheng Yan, don't be scared, okay? What do you think is this answer? Okay, the rest of you are typing in. Okay, why do you say that is C? What is the thing? Okay, Zheng Yan, you want to unmute yourself or are you very shy? Don't want to unmute, Okay, do you know why you chose C? Give me just one hint that told you that it should be C. Okay, Zheng Yan, I'm going to ask another person also. Let's see. Cass, where are you? I can't see you today, Cass. Explain to me, how do you know that this is actually answer C? Cassandra. Is Cassandra here? Because your camera not turned on, I will tend to call those people whose camera not turned on. Nabil, give me the reason why it's C.